Hey guys, it's Shantae here from Stitching Hearts Embroidery. Today I'm going to show you how I make a cute little snap tab heart that I found on Etsy at Embroidery ZZZ. And the designer was nice enough to give us a discount code that you will find below in the description. So first off, I just bring the design over to my embroidery machine, and you see me here choosing the colors that I want to use for this particular heart. So I let Bella here do all the fancy work, and so this gives me a placement line, and then I put down a piece of faux leather or vinyl right on top of that placement line. And so this faux leather is like a marine vinyl. You can find it at Hobby Lobby or Amazon or Joann's, any of those places. It comes in rolls or in a big bolt. Any kind of leathery material should work for this, with something with a non-fraying edge, because the edges will be raw. And so the colors that I chose, it stitched out the outer edge, and then it's stitching the heart now, and then the next part is it's going to stitch the two letters in the middle. Now the good thing about this design is that those letters came with the design, and so you get a full alphabet. Actually, two full alphabets, a right and a left. And so you just pull the two letters that you need. I went to the folder that said right, and I pulled an S, my initial. And then I went to the folder that said left, and I pulled an S. And I just put them in there, positioned them the way I wanted them. And I really like that these letters are a nice thick satin with good coverage. And so there's nothing showing through, no vinyl peeking through. It's just a really nice satin design, but it still stitches really quick. So it is just perfect. It's probably a 6 or 7 minute total stitch out. And so there it is finishing. And now I took it off the hoop. It finished the front. I took it off the hoop and placed a piece of vinyl on the back. You can also use waterproof canvas on the back, or a thinner piece of vinyl, whatever it is that you use on the back of your in the hoop project. So my machine can handle a couple of pieces of vinyl pretty well, so I use vinyl on the front and the back just to give the tab a nice sturdy feel. So there you go, it's all done. So I'm pulling my tearaway stabilizer out of there, using a little bit of traction when I'm cutting, or reverse traction, so I'm pulling on it a little bit to keep my lines pretty straight, cleaning it up. And then now I'm using my big crocodile hole punch, and because it had those little places, the two circles, to show me exactly where to put my holes, it's just quick and easy. Put my two holes there, and then I have my KamSnap utility snap setter, and so it comes with two sets of dies, one for the female part and one for the male part. And so first, because that's the die I have on there now, I'm going to do the female part first, and it's just a matter of sitting it on there and pressing it down. Doesn't take a whole lot of anything. So it's done. And then I'm going to put the male part of the snap on. Now I like to double check. I kind of snap it together a little bit. I check, and double check every time, because I have put them on backwards or used the same piece twice before. So now I have to take that die off and put the other set on there. So eventually I think I may get another KamSnap die snap setter, because I make a lot of snap tabs, and so then that way I would use one for the male and one for the female, and I don't have to screw and unscrew them on. So there you go. I am setting the other one, and that's it. This is a quick project, just the way this video shows it. Snaps together. That you can also use a plastic snap. I used to use a lot of plastic snaps, and I still do, but my utility snap setter is pretty new, and I'm just having fun with it right now. And so there you go. You can use you can use a key ring. You can make it a little more heavy duty with a triangle kind of ring or attachment, or the swivel clasp, anything, whatever kind of key ring top you want to put on there works. And as I said, plastic snaps or these metal utility snaps. Don't forget the discount code is in the description below. And these are cute and perfect for Valentine's Day.